Management and administration of your phone system shouldn't be a daunting task. More importantly, downtime is simply not an option. That's why Avaya IP Office offers familiar Windows-based programming and diagnostic tools to help you make daily system management quick, simple, and reliable. Avaya IP Office offers an intuitive PC interface that lets you make routine changes to names, speed dialing, or call routing, and more instantly with point-and-click simplicity. IP Office also lets you make programming changes from anywhere, and then to upload them at your convenience. The built-in help pages provide the support when needed, and continuous automatic error checking keeps you on the right track. Avaya IP Office provides real-time system diagnostics and automated email warnings when a problem may be imminent or when you may be exceeding capacity. Plus, remote diagnostics enable you to address issues early or even preemptively from anywhere. You may never have an issue with your system, but rest assured that you'll have plenty of time and alternatives if you do. For businesses with multiple locations, IP Office enables remote management of all locations from anywhere, even your home office. By administering your system securely, anywhere and anytime, you can eliminate travel time and costs for system management. Create your own feature set templates based on employees' needs, or choose an IP Office template, and quickly deploy them to individual users, specific groups, or the company at large with dramatically less administration time. Customize communications to job title and simplify choices with Avaya IP Office. Avaya IP Office can deliver business continuity when you need it most. It can be as simple as providing your staff the tools to allow them to work from home, or it can be full system resiliency that allows your office to continue serving your customers in the unlikely event of system failure. Either way, you can be confident that your business will always have a backup plan. Whether you're adding a new employee or an entirely new office, you can keep your system management simple and reliable with Avaya IP Office.